Okay, guys, let's have a look at where we got so far. So we got onto angles of a triangle, and we got onto the next section as well. But we're going to do questions 3, 6, and 9 off this one. Okay, so I'll tell you what you should be writing down, but I'm just going to do most of the work here in the calculator. Let's clear my calculator. Okay, so question 3. We have an isosceles triangle and a vertex angle here. Okay, so the vertex angle is 50. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to take the entire angles in a triangle of 180 and take away 50. That makes the two base angles. And if I want one base angle, I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, giving me an answer of 65 for this one. On to the next one. Okay, we have an isosceles triangle, so C, and down here would be C as well. So we'll calculate 2C. And I'll do this a little bit more step by step, because there's nothing wrong with doing that either. So 180 minus 105 is my two base angles. So I'll divide my base angle by 2, giving me a solution of, well, let's have a look at that digitally, 37.5. Okay, let's take out a little window here to see it more close to the thing. Let's clear that. So last one here, we have, we're trying, did I finish that one? I did. We're trying to get D, which is what? Which is a base angle, and we have a vertex angle. Okay, so let's get rid of the vertex angle from the full triangle. Take 60. Now, obviously, we know the answer to that, but I want it on the calculator, so sometimes, oh, that isn't good. Let's try that again. 180 minus 60. Sometimes you're putting in a simple calculation that you can do in your head because it has an ongoing calculations, and you just want your calculator to be keeping track. Okay, so now I have, this is my two base angles. Well, one base angle will be half of that. Okay, so we have D equals 60. Okay, where does that leave us? Well, I'm looking over here with E. It's also part of a isosceles triangle, and we will need, this is a straight angle pair here. So the vertex here is 180 take 60. Okay, let me do that in my head. That is 120. Okay, so I'll just go to the calculator, even though I could do this other ways. So I have 180. Oh, sorry, there's a much easier way of doing this. This is an external angle to these two, which are opposites. So half of 60 is 30. Okay, so this is an external angle. So as an external angle, it must be equal to E plus E. So it must be equal to 2E. So half of that is 30. Let me just dial it into the calculator to show it here in the video. 30 is the answer. Okay, or going through the motions, it is 60 divided by 2. Okay, that's question 3 done. On to question 6 here. We'll bring up the calculator and we will arrange ourselves so this is sitting beside 6. Okay, so we have 124 is an external to A and A, so it's just half of 124. 124 over 2. Boom. 62. Over here, all sorts of things going on. We have 3 triangles in a way. We have two internal triangles, and then we have the compounded big triangle. We're going to be getting B and C. Okay, to get B, it's a vertex with a base of 35. And so we can subtract the two bases, which is 70, from 180. Okay, remember, 2 bases plus a vertex. Now it's nasty here because the vertex angle has a B, which is like the letter we might use for base, but we can handle it. Okay, 180 take 70. Am I right? Is 110, and that's the answer for the base. Okay, clear. Now we have, we don't have an isosceles over here. What have we got? Well, we know that angle there. Let me just look at my answer again there. We know that angle there is 110, so we know this angle. So I've been doing isosceles up to now. This is just a general triangle. And we know this angle here is, this angle is 110. Oh, come on, look, that's an external angle. So the 55, it is happens to be 55. So this happens to be isosceles, so they should have marked it as such. Do you see what I'm saying here now? My external angle, we calculated to be 110 here. And then these two internal angles have to add up to 110. So C is again 55. Let me just dial that into memory here to show to you. 55. So I'll pop that there on top of C, so you can freeze frame that, or you can pause the video. Okay, on we go to question 6. The last bit of question 6. So clear that. What have I got? I have a nice, I've got to start over here. So I think we're stepping stone up to this one, even though we don't need it. This angle up here. So I'll do 180 minus, hey, come on, that's 73 in total. So I got 107 up here. Now 107 here means this 107 here. What good is that to me? What good is that to me? It means I know this one. And if I know this, okay, so I know this one. So it's 73. Indeed, it's the external angle for those two. So I could have gone quicker. I could have said this is the external angle for those two, 73. I need to double my 73 and take it away from 180. So I'll do 180 minus 2 times 73, depending on the order of operations, and the fact that my calculator knows it, giving me an answer of 34 for D. Okay. You didn't have 8, you had 9. There is a 9. Where were we here now? We did 1, 3, 6, 9. Is this one up here? Whew. Okay, let's bring up the calculator. Let's mix this around like so. In the given figure, 2 right angles are marked. Great. Find the sizes. Find the sizes of the angles. This is isosceles up here. So E and D are equal to each other, but we've got nothing on this yet. So let's come back up out here. We have 35. Okay, with 35, we have the two acute angles which form a straight angle, or complementary. So this one here is 55. Okay, 55. And that makes this 35, or I could have gone straight to D is 35 because they're alternate, are they? Yeah, because these are both right angles, so these are parallel. So 35 is here, 35 is here, that's 70, and that's 110. Whew, that was a tricky one. And I don't know, I don't think I gave you 12. If it is, it's optional. Explain why the given triangle is isosceles. Okay, well, when you take 82, this will be the vertex angle. When you take, because it's bigger than 60, so there's no way 2 of them are bigger than 60. Oh, there could be. Well, 282s be 160. Yeah, anyway, this is the only way it'll work is you have 2 49s. So you can just go here like this, clear 2 by 49. So make the assumption that the 49 is the base angle, and go 2 by 49 plus 82 equals 180. Okay, that was question 12. And then we're on to quads. And I know you had 3 questions here, but I haven't time to do them right now because I got to go to work. So we'll do them in class, or I'll try and make a video some other time. But I really prefer making the videos at home because I've got all the software here. Okay, as always, students, I will see you in the next one.